welcome to Fiona's Creative Canvas. I'm Fiona and today we are revamping my acrylic pouring setup. I bought some stuff from Ikea. Firstly, I'm going to show you the current setup. I'll bring you in for that, and then we'll do a quick build, which you can skip through if you want, and then I'll put it all together here. So I'll bring them in. This is the setup. Now, when I just clear a few of these things off, when I originally set this up with this trestle table, I didn't realise how bowed it was. You can see here, I can fit my hand under there. Now, when it comes to acrylic pouring, that's a big problem because you want it level, which is why I chucked this piece of wood on top. And then I've got things stuffed under it to try and have it level. So this is my actual workspace. Everything else is where the paints sit. So it's not very big and it's a bit awkward. On the floor, I've got a drop sheet. It's a cheap drop sheet, but I've tended to walk paints everywhere. So I'm going to use a better quality drop sheet. Over here, I have a Besta Ikea unit that we were planning to get rid of, but I found a purpose for it. So I've put canvases in there, some paints that I've already done. Started collecting some bubble wrap because I'm hoping eventually to sell some of these paintings. I'm accumulating quite a few now, so I'll need to be able to ship them, but I haven't worked all that out yet. I'm still just trying to make some good paintings. Over here is a Billy bookcase that I have all my paints in. I'm going to rearrange things as well in this, probably. But I want to keep the video as short as I can. So, yeah, and we've got a DVD case here that I've shoved paints in front of. Yeah, let's start the build. I'll show you what I've got. Here are the products that I've purchased from Ikea. We have the TOMMARYD tabletop in white. This is 70 by 130. Now, this is probably not the right top for what I'm doing, but I wanted the extra width, and for use with these, which I've got the Alex drawer unit, which is meant for a 60 centimeter wide tabletop, I believe, and I've got the MITTBACK Trestle Legs. I've also purchased this Vesken. It's just plastic and it's just a little trolley, which I thought would be nice and handy. And in this box here, I got a camera arm that attaches to the table. So I got that from Amazon. And here I have, I don't know how to pronounce that, but that's a 60 by 80 mat. Now, I'm hoping to use the other side because it's very smooth, and I'm hoping that I'll be able to use that to drop my paint on, scoop it up, reuse it, clean easy. I'm not sure if it's going to be good as a silicone mat, but they're quite pricey, and this was like 10 bucks. And I've got a couple of little decorative items in there. And I'm going to use a plant as well. So let's get building. these and I'm going to stick them on top to stop the tabletop from sliding. That's good. That's pretty good. Goes down a bit at the back. Not much. I think that's good enough. Okay, so I've just put a wrap to cover the tabletop just to keep it clean. I shouldn't have to change that very often though, because most of my mess is going to be on here. I might put maybe a puppy pad down here or something. But yeah, the goal is to keep my mess on here, scrape up the excess paint, so I might need to bring it to the edge so that I can scrape it into a cup and then reuse it. I think I'll get all my drawers filled up, fix everything up, bring you back in to show you the final result. Okay, so here are my leftovers from building the Ikea furniture. Now there's 8 of them, 4 for the Alex drawers and 4 for the trestle legs, and they are to attach your legs, basically your drawers and legs, to the tabletop. Because I bought a different type of tabletop, I couldn't do that. I wanted a slightly deeper table. I wanted to be able to just pick it up and move it. I also had these 2 left over. They're just spares. Okay, so I've tidied this up a bit on my already used paints. These are my leftovers that sometimes I use. These are my ready to pour paints. That's my only flow type paint. Then I've got my Amsterdam and Liquid Basics. This brand, Iraldo, and my Montmartre. These are my bigger bottles and some that I've already pre-mixed. And yeah, a couple of other things up there. Then I've added some of my paintings in here down the bottom, and then I've got up the top, I've got the canvases. And then here is the new setup. So I've got the trolley all set up with pouring mediums in there, and my gloves, some stirrers and mugs, and my paint brushes, my torch and some paper towel. Hair dryers down there that I'm probably going to take out because it's too powerful and it's very annoying. Those are keys for the canvases to stretch them out. I've got some more canvases down here on the trestle leg, and charging batteries for my cameras down there. Got my palette knives and reusing some stirrers. Got the mat. This is a painting I did recently. Just sort of put it there to show you how it fits. That's a 16 by 20 inch canvas, so it fits nicely. Then that's my new camera arm, and then I've got my drawers. I haven't really sorted them out properly yet, but this will be my push pins and things like that. Some paint, some brushes. This is some metallics, and yeah, all metallics. they're like a pearl-like metallic. I'm not really sure what I think of those yet. Some more paints down here. Montmartre and Eldorado and some Reeves. All my cups and containers for storing things. And ooh, surprise. Some tools in there that I'll be using down the track. So there you have it. I'm going to have a camera angle probably from here, so you can see what's going on from that angle, and then one from above, somewhere like that. So yeah, there you go. I'm pretty happy with it. Let me know what you think, if you like what I've done. Basically this is going to be easy to just lift off, but it's not like I'm pushing on it and it's not moving, but I can just, you know, take these off, put it away, take the trestle leg, put that away because that's fairly light. This will roll, so roll that away, and then probably just turn that around, and then we can use our games room because that's where I am located. I've got the pool table covered in paintings. On the other side, games room, I've got a drying rack, which is actually Ikea as well. But this is an old piece. I don't know if they still sell it. They probably do. It's a shoe rack. So yeah, just have some that I dry on there. I've actually got another shoe rack, so I'm probably going to set another one up so that I've got double the space. I've got some big canvases down here I haven't used yet. They're a little bit intimidating. But this canvas here, 20 by 24, will fit. It'll fit nicely on there. So when I get the guts, I'm gonna pull that one out. I don't know what would be. Let me know what you reckon the best first pour for a bigger canvas would be. I mean, I'll tell you a secret. My goal down the track is to be doing the pearl pours, and I'd love to do a pearl pour on something this size. So I'm still waiting for a few ingredients. So there you have it. Let me know what you think, and if you have any suggestions for what to put down on the table to protect it, that wipes off easily or is removable and you don't have to do it very often, I guess, let me know. I'm a bit worried about how this is going to clean. It feels really smooth, so it should be all right, but time will tell. So thanks very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.